Hey guys, so remember that little adventure that I was telling you about? Well, that little adventure starts right about now. So I made it to the airport. 2 hours to spare. Doing pretty good on time. Now I'm gonna get me something to eat. 15 and a half hours in the air. This is gonna be a very long trip. Okay, so I've been on the plane. I've been on a plane for about, I wanna say 7 hours now. Can you see me? Okay. So I've been on the plane for about 7 hours now, and it's starting to get to me. It's really starting to get to me. I didn't think that this would be so long, but I still have 9 hours to go before I land. So, oh my God. Okay, I finally got some sleep. So let's talk a little bit about this adventure. So in 2016, I was working with an artist. Her name is Stephanie. This is her picture right here. And Stephanie asked me if I would be willing to come to Hong Kong and apply for a fellowship with the Asian Cultural Council. And I said, okay, why not? So I couldn't do it in 2017 because of work. But in 2018, I was able to make enough time in my schedule to work with the Asian Cultural Council and come to Hong Kong. But I'm not just coming to Hong Kong. Why can't I speak? I'm not just working in Hong Kong. I'm also going to be working in Taipei, Taiwan. So this is the first month, and this episode is going to be called From Bronx to Hong Kong.
頸巾咧嚟工整地去接咧，佢會出嚟嘅效果會係咁樣嘅。呢個就係3個人嘅接法。
哦，3個人嘅接法係咁大啊？係啦，呢個喎。
睇你自己接幾大。接幾大？哦，係。咁呢個係3個人嘅接法。咁但係如果你話啊，呢個係正方形嘅接法啦。咁但係如果你話我想唔工整嘅，喺呢一度。呢個咧就係腸粉效果。咁但係當然腸粉效果佢可以混色腸粉嘅。
混色腸粉。
即係混醬嘅。混醬，即係甜醬。即係譬如呢一個咧，佢係做緊藍色、紫色嘅混色嘅。 咁所以稍後如果你有需要嘅話咧，腸粉其實我哋可以先腸咗一次，染完一次之後解開，再腸第二次做第二隻顏色，咁就會有混色腸粉嘅效果㗎啦。咁當然有好多種唔同可能性嘅，即係你會見到上面可能就係藍紅嘅混色啦，因為嗰邊係黃紅嘅混色，咁樣去做到出嚟。咁所以睇翻自己喜歡，甚至你話我唔混色，或者我單一隻顏色嘅混色都係唔同深淺嘅藍都可以去做到出嚟嘅。咁呢個就視乎翻自己幾好。咁呢一個就係冇咁規律嘅腸粉。兩種方法咧，即係我呢個腸粉加生菜咁咧。即係譬如我即可以，即係我變態啲，我上邊呢一橛就係腸粉，我下邊呢一橛就係生菜。唔係唔得嘅，但係你就要諗實用性上面就係、如果嗰度係做腸粉，嗰度做生菜打起上嚟，O 唔 OK？ 係呢個係唯一你要考量嘅問題嚟嘅啫。我講下啫。嗱，呢個係生菜嚟嘅，咁你可以拍一拍就係當然佢係做咗個淺色藍色做底色先，再做嗰個。生菜極都唔係好生菜。係咯，幾好。因為佢有打隻藍底啊，即係佢做一個淺藍色底色，再做一隻深藍色嘅生菜，咁你就會見到佢冇咗白色。所以就好似好睇啲咁樣。冇咗白色嘅旗袍添，喺呢度要咗，所以冇咗白色。所以就變咗，因為我哋之前睇啦，藍白嘅旗袍着上身係有啲蝦人着嘅。咁所以我哋就幫佢打咗一隻好淺嘅藍色底，再做呢一個深色嘅藍色上去，咁你就覺得佢會好 smooth 啊，咁樣去做咯。咁但係當然就係諗就係如果我一邊係腸粉一邊係生菜，係咪我想要嘅效果咧？只要你覺得 OK 冇問題，就係可以做到㗎啦。因為我想像唔到，我想問下啫。These items were allowed companies to be easier to adopt the food solution in Hong Kong. Yep.
Thank you so much. And can you introduce yourself? Say your name.
I'm Eric. I'm a food designer, but I actually focus on how to turn food waste into usable materials.
Awesome. Thank you.
Usually it will take quite long for doing the natural dye, but the color here we are using sulfur concentration so that we don't need too much time. Okay, then it's time for you. And it depends on how long the color thickness. And with it.
Product. And this is my bag that I finished dyeing from Dyelicious. It's raining outside, so they gave me a bag so that I can take it back to my home in Hong Kong.
Okay, so my name is Kevin Cheung and I'm an upcycling product designer. So all of my products are produced locally and with waste we collect around Hong Kong. For example, we collect a lot of material around the city. So these wallets are made of wallpaper. So they are very waterproof and very colorful material. So originate from this kind of sample booklet. So every page have different color, and every now and then wallpaper company will throw away this kind of sample book because the color get outdated. And in Asian home, we all have a rice cooker, and inside the rice cooker pot, we have this inner pot that make a very loud sound. And it always have an inner layer, always get scratches when you wash things inside. So when it get scratched, people throw that away. So we press them out into this kind of little bicycle belt. So it we preserve the inner layer or the color on it and create a unique bicycle belt. And these phone cases are made of denim, and denim is a very soft fabric, but we soak resin into it and it becomes a very thin layers of protective case. And depends on the wearer, how they wear it, different pattern will be created. And also we have different speakers. This is a bigger one made of medicine bottle because the bottle have a big internal volume, so it makes very good speakers. So there's light in it. You can plug your device and turn up the volume by turning the cap, and that's the boom bottle. We have two sizes. Also the smaller one, this is ink bottle, so it's much more portable. And also we have this. We teach workshop of teach people how to make it. So it's made of two material. One is the ribs from the umbrella, and the board is the wood from the wine boxes. So it's a very pocketable instrument. So that's how you play it. And also we have computer bags. These are the felt-like bags. So the material is actually carpet from the convention center, because we have a big convention center in Wan Chai, and every week they have different exhibitions, and every exhibition have different theme color, different booth sizes. So every 3 days they would toss out a lot of this kind of felt carpet, and we take out the leftover one and we sew a few layers, and it becomes a protective case for your gadget. So that's our product. And also this ceiling light. These lights are collected from bicycle shops. So whenever people have rusty wheels or banded wheels and they no longer can be reused, so we collect them, we place the tire with LEDs, and it becomes a very attractive ceiling light to preserve the original forms. And so yeah, that's about the sellable products. And we also have different one-off piece. For example, this broken. Yeah. So these are different instruments made of plastic bottles. And also we have a ceiling light made of Coke bottle. We did that for design this exhibition in Milan. And all the furniture you can see here are made of either upcycled wood or second-hand collected. So when we move into this space, we didn't buy one single piece of furniture. So that's my studio and my living space.
Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you.